from the beginning of learning about how to develop a unit to the end of really having the units in place. It was very eye-opening and felt empowering for me because the way it was structured was, well, the teachers can really come together and do this work, write curriculum. And it wasn't somebody in district office, a person writing curriculum. It was the teachers bringing their pedagogy and their content knowledge to the table and collaborating, and that they could develop these units together. The lasting impact of the work, I believe, will be that we will have a high-quality, standards-based curriculum. And so teachers are going to feel honored, really, for who they are as professionals, the fact that they can teach students at a higher level than they believed before, I think is a lasting impact as well. We know in education that once teachers feel empowered in the work that they're doing, they're going to talk about that with their colleagues. So even those that are kind of on the fence or resistant, that's going to start to spread because they can then become teacher leaders, and if they were involved in the curriculum writing, they can then help the teachers that will be getting it later on when we have it in final form. Just a great process. We're going to have a good quality curriculum when we get done with everything.